Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove and add background to your videos or photos on a CapCut. So to do that, you're just going to select your photo or video. It works for both. Then you are going to find the cutout section, so just select it. And then you're going to select remove background, and then you're going to then have the background move. Just press the check mark button. To add in a background, I'm just going to go to the canvas section, and you can add in a background here. You can add in an image, or you can even go and select color. I'm just going to select color for mine, like so. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. Again, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!